Because for me, beauty is not about being perfect. It's about the confidence, kindness, and being true to yourself every day. Every woman deserves respect, equal opportunities, and a voice that is heard. When we learn to value ourselves and support one another, we grow stronger together. Remember that self-love is not selfish. It creates courage and inspires others to believe in their own worth. Together, we can build a world where every woman feels seen, valued, empowered, and beautiful as just she is. Thank you.
Hindi umiyak!
Novelsa from Puro, Bagong Lipunan.
See, it started at the park, used to chill at the dark. Oh, took my heart, that's when we fell apart. 'Cause we both that love lasts forever, lasts forever. They say we're too young to get ourselves from love. Didn't care, we made it very clear, and they also said that we could last together, last together. Oh, see, it's very defining, one of a kind, but you must have my mind. You have to get the kind. Oh Lord, my baby is driving me crazy. You're way too beautiful, girl. That's why it never worked. You had me suicidal, suicidal. When you say it's over, them all you beautiful girls, they only want
Candidate
you.
number
That's how, ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 11. All right. How are you, candidate number 11?
Okay naman.
May gusto ko bang pasalamatan tonight?
Una-unang sa lahat po, gusto kong pasalamatan ang ating pong may kapal at ang aking mga pamilya na lagi nakasuporta. Ang team ko po na walang sawang sumusuporta at pag-aayos sa akin sa event na ito.
All right. So get ready for your question, but you need to pick the name of your judge.
Go, Elsa!
And now let's welcome Engineer Mark Beatriz Luciano.
Magandang gabi, candidate number 11. Hello po, kamusta ka naman? Okay naman po.
So, here is your question. If you had the power to address one major issue in your barangay, what would it be and how would you start? In Tagalog, kung mayroon kang kapangyarihang tugunan ang isang malaking issue sa iyong barangay, ano ito at paano mo sisimulan?
Maraming salamat po sa inyong katanungan. Bilang isang kabataan, yung unang issue na gusto kong tugunan sa Barangay San Miguel ay ang teenage pregnancy. Hindi para husgahan ang aking kapwa kabataan na babae, kundi para ay upang magbigay impormasyon, kaalaman at idea kung paano nila mas mapapalawak ang kanilang isipan para sa realidad. Gusto kong bigyan din ng mensahe ang mga kabataan na haranas ng teenage pregnancy na hindi porke naranasan mo ang ganong issue ay hindi ka naaalis sa panghuhusga ng ibang tao sa iyo, kundi gawin mo yung daan upang itama lahat ng pagkakamali at panghuhusga ng taong ibinibigay sa iyo. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, candidate number